I'm Dr. Manmeet Batra. I'm a gynecologist and obstetrician, infertility expert, and gynecosmetologist. I work at Cloudnine, Ludhiana. So, how to know that you are pregnant? I'm sure you must be waiting for long for that positive test. And let's talk what test can confirm a pregnancy. A simple urine test, a kit which is available in all the pharmacies next door to you, a test where just a few drops of urine sample is supposed to be dropped, and then the 2 lines showing on the strip is a positive pregnancy test. The next question is, when can you do the test? As soon as you miss it, the very next day you can do the test. It's not that it's been too early, I should be waiting for some more days to come it positive, So do not do that. A positive test might as well can come the very next day. And very frequent question being asked to me is, what is the accuracy rate of it? Well, I would say it is quite a good one. And the false positive rate or a false negative rate. False negative rate is like you are pregnant but your strip shows that you are not. And the false positive is when the 2 lines appear, that is the test is positive but actually you're not pregnant. So it's very, very less, up to 1%. So you can easily trust them. And sometimes your obstetrician would ask you to undergo a lab test, a blood lab test, which tells us the amount of beta HCG inside you. So you need not do it yourself or just go to a random lab and ask them to do a beta HCG test. Leave it to your obstetrician. I think she can guide you better. As per you, you can go ahead with the urine pregnancy test, which is quite a good one.